Mabuhay! This is Keissha. I'm an international student in Melbourne, Australia from the Philippines. I was just a kid who's aspiring to be an engineering student in a foreign country, and I'm proud to say that Australian Institute of Engineering helped me make that dream come true. I'm 22 years old now, studying my certificate for in engineering. AIE never made me felt like I'm different to my seniors, my classmates, and that I'm a girl in a man's field. In fact, I'm really thankful for AIE because they have hands-on teachers and lessons and all the practicals and assessments. Like, they really teach you step by step on becoming to be a great engineer, a great welder. There's a home for you in Melbourne, Australia, especially in Australian Institute of Engineering. I hope to see you here, kababayan. Bye!